Hi children. Again, we are going to study EVS. Before that, I am telling to you, you should utilize maximum this corona period. Why? Now only we are getting the time for enjoying with our family. Yes? Now always our father and mother with us. Okay? So, make a beautiful moments with them. Okay? Always you should be with them. You should obey them. You should love them. You should care them. Okay? Okay. Let us come back to our topic. What are the things we studied? Is different types of landforms. Our lesson name is Physical Features of India. What are the physical features we studied? Different landforms. What are the landforms we studied? Yes. Renha is telling answer. Mountain, plains, plateaus, valleys, deltas. Which are they? Mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys and deltas. And another one we are going to study desert. Deserts. So most of you are familiar with these deserts. Many of you went to Gulf countries. Yes, I know that. Many of you visited in Gulf countries. There we can say more area deserts. What is the specialty of desert? Can you say that? Yes, extremely sand. Full of sand. Extremely dry land also. Yes, not like our area. Dry land area also. And what is the climate there? There are two types of deserts are there. Cold desert and hot deserts also. Most of the deserts are hot deserts. Why? They are getting only very little rainfall. Very little rainfall. Getting very little rainfall means what is the problem? Very less plants and trees only there. Because plants and trees are needed more water to grow. Here they are receiving, the deserts are receiving very little rainfall only. That is why there very less amount of water. And full of sand, not soil. So the sandy area is not comfortable for growing plants and trees. Okay, and that is why very less plants and trees only we can see in the desert. We can see another very beautiful things in the desert. What is that? Yes, sand dunes. With this sand hills are there. You can draw very well, more than me. Sand hills are there. These hills are called sand dunes. These hills are called sand dunes. Okay, these hills are called sand dunes. What is sand dunes? The hills made with sand. Okay, hills of sand. Hills of sand. That is called sand dunes. And I told there are both cold deserts and hot deserts also there. And the Sahara Desert in North Africa is the biggest desert and biggest hot desert in the world. Yes, Sahara Desert in the North Africa is the biggest hot desert in the world. Okay, this is the landform we completed now. Next one, coast and peninsula. Coast and peninsula. Another one landform or another one physical feature of the India or coast and peninsula. Another one landform, physical feature. Okay, what do you mean by coast? Coast means the side of the sea. Side of the sea is called coast. coast. Okay, the side of the ocean or sea is called coast. And the place, we know the sea, oceans, okay, and its side area is called coast. And where this place the land and sea meet, it is called coastline. Coastline, the place where the land and the sea meet together, it is called coastline. I told you the side of the sea is called coast, and where the place where the sea and the land meet is called coastline. Okay, that only about coast. Another one, peninsula. Oh, my dear children, what is the speciality of peninsula? A land that three side with water. Yes, a land masses surrounded by water on three side. Yes, the southern part of India is a peninsula. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Look your textbook. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Three side covered by water. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Look, it's a peninsula. And here, in the tip of a peninsula or a point of a land that is just narrowly into the water body, that is called cape. Okay, the tip of the peninsula, the narrowly into the water body, it is called cape. Okay, that's only about peninsula. Kanyakumari is the tip of the Indian peninsula. It's a cape. Okay, so today we discussed about two different types of landform. First one is desert full of sand. Okay, extremely sand, little rainfall, less plants and trees, and sand dunes also. Next one, coast, sides of the sea and the land and sea meet their coastline together. Okay, next, peninsula, three side water. Okay, that's only today we discuss. I am concluding now, and you should read the textbook and you should find out the another one landform is given there, island and isthmuses. Okay, my dear children, I know you all are able to find out the answer. I know you all are very interested to doing homework. Last year also I am familiar with you. Okay, so you should read the textbook and find out how this island and isthmuses formed. Okay, what are the specialities? What are the important points we will get from there? Okay, write in your SS diary and please send it to me, my personal WhatsApp. Okay, if you have any doubt related with this, any topic, you should contact me. Okay, from the EVS, you should have any doubt, you please ask to me. At any time, you can call and ask to me.